and today we're making some keto ice cream, but this keto ice cream is also some other things. It is keto, vegan, paleo, egg-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, soy-free, and gluten-free. So, a lot of people can eat this ice cream. Okay, you guys are going to need 2 cups of canned coconut milk, 1/3 cup xylitol, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, and optional ingredients if you want a different flavor. We're just doing vanilla. So, put it in the bowl. Okay, so I already have my vanilla, my 1.5 vanilla measured out into a little bowl. Put it in there. My 1/8 salt, boop, and my 1/3 xylitol. Be careful with this because it is extremely harmful to dogs. So make sure you don't let your dog lick your plate. Just keep it away, very far away. It's very bad for them. And my 2 cups of canned coconut milk. Yeah. And now we're just going to stir it with my stirry thingy.
Spatula?
Spatula. That's what it's called. It is called a spatula. Okay, so now you're just going to pour it into your ice cream maker and follow the manufacturer's instructions. But if you do not have an ice cream maker and you still want to make this homemade ice cream, then you're going to put it into ice cubes, freeze it, put it in the blender, blend it together, boom. Ice cream without an ice cream maker. Oh yeah. Okay, so we are going to flip this on and come back in about 40 minutes.